Listed at just under $500,000, today we tour this Holland Pines home. Hey, my name is Maya. I'm the social media manager for Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Native American Group. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Quiet mornings and evenings on a deck that looks over the woods await you in this beautiful and fully updated Holland Pines home. This home is spacious and well laid out, which will accommodate any family's needs. The neutral paint on the walls throughout the home create a blank canvas for any decor style. This home also includes a high-ceiling living room, kitchen updates with beautiful stone effect countertops and stainless steel appliances. Let's not forget to mention the first floor master suite, a feature many will find useful. Both bathrooms in the home have a modern feel and are designed for easy function. The location and finishes of this home have so much to offer. As we view the second story of the home, you'll notice a large den that can be used for family gatherings or as a play place for the children. Every square inch of this home was utilized for top function. The sprawling yard space has a deck with built-in seating in addition to a well-manicured lawn. Here, you'll find it all.